Hey, my dearing friends, welcome to this Manifest Abundance Now powerful meditation affirmations for financial freedom. Today, we're diving into a powerful session that will align your energy with the vibration of abundance, prosperity, and financial freedom. So, find a quiet and comfortable space where you can relax and let these affirmations sink deep into your subconscious mind and resonate deeply. Now, let's open the gateway to financial freedom with these affirmations. Feel the words as you say them or hear them and believe that they are already true for you. Let's go into the affirmations. I'm a magnet for wealth and abundance. Money flows to me with ease and in expected and unexpected ways. I'm worthy of financial success and prosperity. My income is constantly increasing and I am open to new opportunities. Abundance is my natural state and I embrace it fully. I'm aligned with the energy of wealth and financial freedom. I let go of all limiting beliefs about money and welcome prosperity into my life. Every dollar I spend comes back to me multiplied. I deserve to live a life of financial freedom and unlimited possibilities. My bank account is growing every day and I feel grateful. Wealth and prosperity are my birthrights. I'm open to receiving financial abundance from all sources. I attract opportunities that bring me financial success and joy. I trust that God is providing all that I need financially. I radiate wealth, abundance, and financial security. I'm grateful for the wealth flowing into my life. I'm financially free and capable of creating the life I desire. Money is a tool that I use to create a better life for myself and my family. I'm constantly discovering new streams of income. I'm in harmony with the energy of wealth and prosperity. Financial opportunities are everywhere and I am open to them. I'm a powerful creator of wealth and abundance. My financial dreams are manifesting into reality. I deserve unlimited wealth and financial success. I'm fearless in my pursuit of financial goals. I attract wealth and prosperity fearlessly. My mind is focused on wealth building opportunities. I'm surrounded by wealth and success in galore. I celebrate financial success in my life and the life of others. I celebrate financial success in my life and the lives of others. Money is joined to me like a magnet. I'm financially secure, stable, and free. With God as my guide, I'm the master of my wealth and financial destiny. Every action I take leads to a greater financial abundance. Wealth is my birthright and I claim it and tap into it now. I see limitless possibilities for financial growth. I'm grateful for the financial blessings in my life. Prosperity is drawn to me in all forms. I'm open and ready to receive financial abundance. I create wealth with my thoughts and actions and intentions. I'm confident in my ability to attract and manage wealth. I'm deserving of financial security and independence. I let go of any fears or doubt about money and abundance. My wealth is a positive reflection of my inner abundance. I welcome financial miracles into my life every day. I'm thankful for the flow of money into my life. God supports my financial goals and dreams. I have the power to create unlimited wealth. Money and abundance are always flowing into my life. I'm financially abundant and my wealth is ever expanding. I'm open to all the riches life has to offer. That's it, guys. These are powerful affirmations to manifest abundance now. Meditate on them daily and watch money and abundance flow into your life. If you've enjoyed this session, don't forget to like this video, comment as well, subscribe to the channel if you have not yet done so. Hit the notification bell so you never miss another powerful affirmation session. Share this video with someone who needs abundance into their life and let's grow together. Check out the channel for more inspirational videos as well. Until next time, blessed love.